Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to channel for all things two-wheeled, where we dive deep into the newest machines that hit the streets, the tracks, and everything in between. Today, we're revving into the world of Harley Davidson and exploring a motorcycle that's turning heads in the sub-500cc segment. Yes, we're talking about the 2025 Harley Davidson X440, a game-changer not just for Harley, but for an entirely new generation of riders. If you think Harley is only about big, bulky cruisers and roaring V-twins, this might just shift your perspective. The shift in Harley's strategy. Harley-Davidson has long been associated with heavyweight cruisers, chrome-laden monsters, and long highway rides across the American heartland. But in recent years, the company has started pivoting toward a broader, more global market, especially younger and urban riders in emerging markets. The X440 is the result of this strategic shift. Launched in partnership with Hero MotoCorp, this motorcycle marks Harley's bold entry into the highly competitive mid-capacity segment, especially in India and Southeast Asia. The X440 isn't just a watered-down Harley, it's a reimagining of what the brand can be at a smaller displacement. It promises to deliver the brand's essence, solid road presence, bold styling, and mechanical character, without the intimidating size and price tag of the traditional lineup. Design and styling, a modern classic. At first glance, the 2025 Extension 440 stays true to the Harley aesthetic. The design language echoes the classic roadster vibe with modern refinements. A teardrop-shaped fuel tank, flat handlebar, circular LED headlamp with an integrated DRL ring, and blacked-out components give it a beefy, aggressive look. Harley branding is subtle but prominent, appealing to purists as well as new age enthusiasts. You'll also notice the solid build quality. The bike looks premium, with a muscular stance that punches above its weight class. The exhaust has a minimal yet bold look, ending in a short, upswept canister that complements the bike's Street Fighter vibe. Overall, the X440 doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely commands respect when parked. Engine and performance. Under the tank sits a 440 cubic centimeters, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed gearbox. It's a brand new engine platform and it's tuned for real-world usability. On paper, the motor delivers around 27 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, which positions it right in the sweet spot for urban commutes and spirited weekend rides. But beyond the numbers, it's the character of the engine that stands out. There's a strong low and mid-range grunt, and that makes city riding incredibly enjoyable. You don't need to constantly shift gears to stay in the power band. The throttle response is crisp, and the exhaust note, though not a traditional Harley Thunder, does offer a deep, satisfying thump that reminds you this isn't just another commuter bike. Top speeds hover around 135 to 140 km per hour, and while it's not built for speed demons, it holds its own on highways with decent stability and composure. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The X440 is built on a trellis frame that keeps it both rigid and agile. It's a departure from Harley's usual frame architecture, and it works surprisingly well. The bike feels stable and planted, especially in corners and at higher speeds. The front gets USD forks, and the rear features twin shock absorbers with preload adjustability. This setup offers a good balance between comfort and control. It soaks up bad roads with ease while keeping things sharp when you push through twisties. With a curb weight of around 190 kilograms, the X440 isn't exactly light, but it hides its mass well. The low seat height and central weight distribution make it friendly for new riders and manageable for everyday use. Braking and safety features. Stopping power comes from a 320 mm front disc and a 240 mm rear disc, both equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard. The braking performance is confidence-inspiring, with progressive bite and good feedback from the levers. Harley has made sure not to cut corners in this department. You also get grippy MRF Zapper tires specifically designed for the bike, ensuring optimal traction and stability in both dry and wet conditions. Technology and features. For a bike in this segment, the X440 is well kitted in terms of features. It includes an all-digital instrument cluster that displays everything from speed, RPM, gear position, and fuel level to Bluetooth-based turn-by-turn navigation. Yes, Bluetooth connectivity is available via the Hero Connect app, which lets you pair your phone for alerts, ride stats, and more. There's also a USB charging port neatly tucked in for practicality. It's not overloaded with gimmicks, but it gives you everything you need for a modern ride. Variants and pricing. Harley Davidson has introduced multiple variants of the X440 to cater to a wider range of customers. These include the base variant with simpler finishes, a mid-level trim with alloy wheels and extra tech, and the top-end model with special color schemes and premium materials. Prices start at around 2.40 Indian rupees lakh and go up to 2.80 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. That places it squarely in the same range as bikes like the Royal Enfield Classic 350, Honda CB 350, and the KTM Duke 390. But unlike those, the X440 wears the Harley badge, and that brand cachet is a major selling point. Who is it for? The Harley X440 is aimed at young professionals, first-time buyers, and riders who want something premium but practical. It's also perfect for those who've always admired Harley Davidson but couldn't justify the price or bulk of their traditional lineup. If you're someone who wants a motorcycle with a bit of American muscle DNA, a unique road presence, and daily usability, the X440 hits a sweet spot. It's not a full-fledged cruiser, but it carries the soul of one in a more accessible package. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the 2025 Harley Davidson X440 is more than just a product, it's a statement. It shows that Harley is willing to evolve, to adapt, and to meet new riders where they are. With its bold styling, capable engine, and modern features, the X440 isn't just an entry-level Harley, it's a motorcycle with its own identity. And that's what makes it truly special. If you're in the market for a mid-capacity motorcycle that blends heritage with modern engineering, the Harley Davidson X440 should be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on the X440, and of course, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep your engines buzzing.